This is Jim at Broadfield. Thanks for joining us for another Broadfield Liquid Lunch and Learn. I am back with you every Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And before we get into today's show, I'm just going to ask Oliver here to hit record on the Atomos monitor, which we use in studio. That way we have all of our video recorded and things are all set and ready to go. And I also have a beer for you for today's show. We have from Barrier Brewing right here on Long Island, their Barrier Sweet, which is a sweet of a whole bunch of different hops, giving you a taste of pineapple, mango, orange, grapefruit, passion fruit, and guava. Let's take a sip of Barrier Sweet. That is definitely a sweet of different citrusy flavors. Really eclectic blend of a bunch of different fruits. You really got to be an IPA fan for this one. But if you do like the citrusy IPAs, Barrier does make some great brews. And if you're out here on Long Island, they're definitely worth checking out. So now we've got the show being recorded. We're getting ready to go live and talking to you today about a brand new product line and two new products available right here at Broadfield Distributing. Broadfield Distributing likes to say that we are your source for live video production and streaming. And that's one of the reasons why we're so excited about the RGBLink Mini and the RGBLink Mini Plus. These two products are portable and affordable HDMI switching solutions with integrated live streaming through a USB output right to a live streaming system. So basically what the RGBLink Mini and Mini Plus do is they let you switch between 4 HDMI inputs. I actually have a unit right here on the table. I'm going to tip up just a little bit so we can show you those I/O connections on the RGBLink Mini, and this is actually the Mini Plus unit that I have in front of me here. It's also going to allow you to output to an HDMI signal or to a USB 3.0 connection. That USB 3.0 output can be put directly into any streaming solution. It has large buttons to make your switching real easy and a T-bar to switch nice and easily back and forth from input 1 to input 2, and then I have input 3 and 4 here as well. It's compact in size. It can literally go anywhere. You just throw it into your camera bag and get ready to switch your show using PIP, different transitions, and even audio embedding. The RGBLink Mini Plus adds some additional features, including PTZ camera control, a logo overlay, and chroma key capability. The RGBLink Mini is coming in stock shortly here at Broadfield at $299. The RGBLink Mini Plus is in stock in our warehouses at $499. And the reason we got these products in stock first, and the reason I have the Mini Plus set up on the table here in front of me, is because this is where I really see a huge market opportunity. The RGBLink Mini Plus is their answer to the Blackmagic A10 Mini, and at just $499, integrating the unique capability of PTZ camera control over IP really makes this a unique and very affordable solution. So we talked a little bit about the compact design. I showed you the back of the unit itself, where we have 4 HDMI inputs and the ability to output to HDMI or USB 3. I can take that USB 3 output and I can put it into any streaming solution. I can also control this unit not only from the buttons and the T-bar on the unit itself, but through an online GUI, which we can actually pull up and show off to you here. So Oliver is pulling up a screen of what that online GUI looks like, and this is another very easy way to control the capability of the RGBLink Mini from either a remote touchscreen, a laptop, or something else connected directly to the network. Now, that USB output is a great way of taking the output from this unit and putting it into your computer to be recognized the same way it would any webcam. So now if you're talking with customers who are looking for an inexpensive streaming solution and mixing solution to upgrade their video conferencing capability, this would be a great path to take that USB input into a computer running Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Skype, or even streaming directly to YouTube or Facebook. Now, you know how easy it is to open up a laptop or a MacBook Pro and start streaming directly to any of these video conferencing software or online formats. By taking the USB output from the RGBLink Mini, you're turning this 4-camera HDMI switcher into a glorified webcam that is going to make that process just as easy. Of course, you can also take the HDMI output into a higher end solution or a video capture solution into your machine for even more capability. This workflow is a perfect example of how you can take video cameras, DSLR cameras, GoPros, even HDMI output from a computer system generating graphics or overlays or even a scoreboard, and bring them all in as individual sources into your 4 HDMI inputs of the RGBLink Mini Plus. You can take that HDMI output. You can also add an audio mixer or microphone through line in, and you can take that all together and stream out over USB to stream your feed to all of those vehicles that we just talked about. Now let's talk about what makes the RGBLink Mini Plus unique, and that is the PTZ camera control capability over a single Ethernet cable. That PTZ camera control allows you to use these little knobs. If we could pull that RGBLink Mini up on the screen here, you'll see that I could use these knobs here to control the camera. So one knob is going to control the pan and tilt of the camera, or the Y-axis. The other knob is going to control, so this knob, the Y-axis would be the pan. The other one is going to be the tilt. That would be the X-axis. And then I can go into my menu and change that camera control to also use those knobs to control the zoom. So I do have full PTZ camera control capability, and we actually shot a little demo to share with you today. So Oliver, if you could show off the demo of that PTZ camera control.
To use the RGBLink Mini Plus to control a PTZ camera, you'll need an Ethernet cable for control and an HDMI cable for picture. Here you'll see in our P&P we're controlling a PTZ optics camera with the RGBLink Mini Plus. We're able to pan up and down smoothly as well as side to side across our studio. In addition, we're also able to use the zooming feature on the RGBLink Mini Plus to pan into our picture, as you can see here. There's also really great focus correction tools that will allow us to clear up the picture as well to make sure that our broadcast looks professional. To use the RGB...
So you can see from our demo that the RGBLink Mini Plus is using the Sony Visca protocol over IP to control the PTZ optics camera with ease. Very smooth controls, very easy to manage, again, in a very small and compact unit. The RGBLink Mini Plus is not only a great product on its own at just $499, but it also lends itself to some great bundles, like a bundle with the PTZ optics camera that we just showed off in the demo, or with the BirdDog P100 camera, which also has the USB output capability and the same Sony Visca camera control protocol over IP. The RGBLink Mini can also be bundled with another exciting new product we have here at Broadfield, and that's the Yellow Live Yellow Box. You can take the RGBLink Mini to use it as a hardware control option to expand your I/O capability of the Yellow Box. The Yellow Box itself gives you 2 HDMI inputs and 1 USB input. I could take 4 HDMI inputs into the RGBLink Mini, take 1 HDMI out into the Yellow Box, and now for $500, I've extended my Yellow Live production system to support 5 cameras plus a USB source. So that really adds to that capability. And now when you're looking at $900 for the yellow box, $500 for the RGBLink Mini Plus, you're getting all of that great capability plus the PTZ camera control for under $1,500, well under $1,500, I should add. And then another product that I do want to mention as well is the RGBLink Mini Plus would also be an excellent solution because of its compact size bundled with the Live View Solo. This unit is small enough to take out into the field anywhere. If I connect 4 HDMI GoPro cameras out on a sports field and I take the HDMI output into the Live View Solo for cellular bonding, now in something that fits not even in a backpack, but in a smaller bag even than that, I can stream a broadcast show right from the field. I have the RGBLink Mini Plus, feed it into the Live View Solo, and I'm ready to go. The Live View Solo HDMI is $999. The bundle with the Solo Connect modems is $450. So then you're at $1,445. Another $500, you're under $2,000 for a backpack solution that is ready to stream from anywhere and everywhere. So call your Broadfield salesperson. We have all the information. I've got product images, setup sheets, and web data in a folder that we can send out to you so you can get this product, add it to your website, and start sharing it with your customers. We're really excited about this affordable marketplace and how products like the RGBLink Mini, the YOLO box, the affordable PTZ cameras, and even the Live View Solo can really bring more and more customers into live streaming and production space that will grow with you and grow with Broadfield over time. So definitely check this out and we'd be happy to get you all the setup info you need. We've got some great shows scheduled every Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Coming up, we will have Wowza Clearcaster. We have the Wowza Clearcaster Micro and Enterprise, the newest versions of the Clearcaster products with the Wowza licensing package available and in stock now at Broadfield. We'll be showing that off on next week's show. And then we're also going to be inviting Jared, our storage specialist, to give a SanDisk launch party, Broadfield's choice for pro cinema camera storage. These dates are subject to change, but we're working on these shows as well as a bunch of others. If you have any questions or suggestions for future shows, definitely let me know. You can reach out to me directly at jim@broadfield.com or contact your Broadfield salesperson for more information. Until next week, cheers.
Broadfield Distributing is a value-added distributor of live production, streaming, video editing, and storage products. We only sell to resellers. We are always looking for new dealers. So call us at 1-800-634-5178 or email sales@broadfield.com. You'll like doing business with Broadfield because we make it easy to do business. Broadfield Distributing is a value